Hi everybody, I'm Brendan Dell. I'm a messaging and positioning consultant, and I'm the founder of the creative consultancy Spark. And welcome to my course, Positioning: How to Transform Your Company into a Market of One. The journey of this course, we're going to walk through 8 lessons together. The first is the 8 elements of your positioning story. In this lesson, we'll familiarize you with the new way to do positioning and the 8 elements of an effective positioning story. In lesson 2, we'll talk about how to ID your best customers. Every story has to have an audience in mind. And we're going to talk about how to identify your best customers so that you can focus your positioning strategy on things that matter to them. Lesson 3, we're going to talk about how to mine your customers for potential positioning strategies. Rather than tell customers what they should care about, you're going to let them show you what they do care about, and you're going to use their voice as you develop your positioning strategies. In lesson 4, we're going to talk about how to identify your demand type. The kind of demand that currently exists for products in your space is going to dictate how you position your products. So we'll learn about the 3 kinds of demand, and we'll help you to identify which of the 3 describes your company. In lesson 5, we'll talk about how to craft a compelling change, stakes, and villain. As we'll learn, modern positioning isn't about being better than your competitors, it's about changing folks from the status quo, changing the way they currently do things today. In order to do that and make it an imperative to change, you need to identify compelling change, stakes, and have something they can rally against. In lesson 6, we'll talk about how to craft an effective promised land and ID your superpowers. This is where we show your customers the transformation you'll create, and we identify the features, benefits of your solution that are unique to you and that you'll use to show your customers how you'll help them transform. In lesson 7, we're going to talk about how to create a memorable, simple promise. This is the message that defines the transformation that you create. It's what your market remembers and the story that your team knows and tells. And then in lesson 8, we're going to talk about how to roll out and test your positioning story. When done right, your story is going to flow through all of your go-to-market efforts, and it's going to power everything, giving you more team cohesion, giving you more memorability in the market, and making you stand out as one apart rather than another one of those. So we'll show you how to roll it out and how to make sure that it resonates with your customers. All right, let's get started.